Let's make this fall home decor sign using Dollar Tree items. All right, so I found this sign at Dollar Tree in the crafting section, and then they had these cute little picture frames that you can get, and it has like a little clip on it. You can just pop that back right off there, and then that way you'll be able to lay it flat. So first we're going to start out with the sign. So I'm just going to do a little bit of decoupage with the Dollar Tree napkins. They do come full. I had used the other side for something else, but you'll just take it apart so that you have the layer with the print on it. And then I'm just going to cut around the edges so we can take away some of that white that is there. You can paint underneath and then the white would blend in, but I like the wood color. I think that's just like a nice natural color. So once I trimmed as close as I could have got a little closer, but once I trimmed as close as I could, I just took and applied a thin layer of Mod Podge down where the print or the napkin was going to be going down. So I applied that and then directly applied the napkin to that. And you can see it like kind of laps over, but that's okay because I really just want the pumpkin print and then it looks like it's, coming out. So I flattened that as best as possible. And then I went over it with a bit of Mod Podge too. So you can still see a little bit of those white parts, but not that much, especially once you go over again with the second layer of Mod Podge. And then I'm just going to set that to the side and let that dry. I'm still playing around with the idea in the head. I grabbed two of these, but they are kind of big compared to it. So this is how it looks dried. And you can see that white kind of like blends in there. And then I'm going to take and put a little bit of faux greenery on there. So I'm thinking if you wanted to do the picture frame and have it as a cute little picture frame or something like that, then you probably wouldn't do the greenery because it becomes a bit overwhelming. So you wouldn't do that. You can do like a cute wood pumpkin there or something like that. But I just applied those few pieces. So like the leaf in the middle and I flattened that out as much as possible. And then these little green stems here, you can also do little leaves. You can do a bunch of cute little things. And you can also do the sign for a different holiday. So if you're not looking to make fall decor, you can take the same method and make you like a cute piece of Christmas decor or whatever season you might be in. But you can see the picture frame is too big once I applied the greenery down. So I left that out and we're going to save it for a different project. You could also make this a sitter, just putting something behind it so it can stand up. But I think it looks cute as a hanging sign. You can attach a bow there in the middle. You can just leave the greenery by itself. I decided to attach just a few of the faux leaves from Dollar Tree and some faux floral. So again, just doing the same thing I did with the greenery. I'm just going to glue that down into place, layer that on, and you can see just the like cute orange and the leaves kind of pop out from behind the faux florals. You can add some wording in here if you want, but that is basically it. And you have just a nice, cute piece of fall decor for this fall season. If you like, give it a big old thumbs up.